I had an incredible experience at Pink Chili's cooking class in Bangkok. The hands-on session allowed me to master classic Thai dishes like Pad Thai, Tom Yum Goong, green curry chicken, and mango sticky rice. The knowledgeable chef, Pimmy and friendly staff made the class enjoyable, and the end result was a delicious feast. I highly recommend. There was shopping at the morning market, and at that time, the ingredients and seasonings were carefully explained. There was also time for shopping for each person, and I was able to experience shopping at the local market. In the cooking scene, the ingredients were put together on the plate in an easy-to-understand manner, and I was able to do it very smoothly. This time, we worked in groups of 4 people x 2, and it was a lot of fun interacting with. There were only 4 people in the class on Wednesday, and it was finished around 11 o'clock. The teacher patiently introduced the raw materials and recipes, and prepared the ingredients in advance. The kitchen equipment was complete, and the students found it easy to learn. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I loved the class thoroughly. The shopping experience was insightful. I learned a couple of tricks for sourcing fresh delicious prawns, and I have since put the skills to practice. The team are so friendly and funny. The meals we made were delicious and simple. I can't wait to recreate this at home. A huge thanks to the team. I went to the local market and got to know the characteristics of many different ingredients. The cooking classroom is very tidy, and the instructor is also very good at explaining and teaching. I met friends from different countries. The process is very happy and the food is delicious. Very fun experience. Trainer was very patient throughout. Loved how we got to experience everything from cutting to cooking, everything from scratch. Amazing. The location is very convenient, nearby on Nut BTS. The lady is very kind and welcoming. In the market tour, I was taught about Thai vegetables and ingredients. Also, I was told about possible substitutes that I can use at home. During the cooking, I was taught correct cooking techniques. The meal was very tasty. Pimmy was a great guide and teacher. She took us to the market and they had a celebration of a Chinese god going on, so we got to try some authentic Thai foods. We learned a lot about the ingredients we would be cooking with. We got to eat the foods we made and leave with the recipes. Very good. The cooking classroom is about a 15-minute walk from the On Nut BTS station. The teacher is very friendly and the dishes are easy to cook. The biggest drawback is that the kitchen is too hot. Nice experience, highly recommended. Very good and funny teachers. I and my friend enjoy the cooking class so much and spend a memorable time here. It's a very rich experience. However, the cooking process only involved some cutting and preparing, and the amount of seasonings was prepared, so the sense of participation was a little low. A few minutes scroll to the market. Very small market, but everything is there. Cooking class was inside an air-conditioned room except in the cooking area, with electric fan. Really good fun and learned some great dishes. Delicious and can adjust to any spice level. This is the second time to participate in cooking class. Although the instructor is not waiting for us at the BTS station, we need to walk to the place where we go to class. We went to the market together and then went back to the classroom for class. The partners who came to the class together are very interesting and polite. It is not difficult to teach us Thai food. It is very easy location to get to, clear instructions and able to cook delicious dishes in a simple manner.